In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archive tasks in Clickup. This is a great skill to have, especially when you need to revisit tasks that have been completed or put away for safekeeping. Knowing how to access archive tasks can help streamline your workflow and organizational processes. So let's dive right in and explore how you can retrieve those archive tasks with ease. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the list or folder where your task was originally located. This is crucial as Clickup organizes tasks based on where they were created. Imagine this as going to a specific book section in a library where your chosen book was last shelved. Once you're in the right spot, you'll be able to proceed with more refined actions. Now, once you've found your way to the correct list or folder, it's time to employ a nifty feature of Clickup known as the filter. Filters in Clickup are similar to search tools that help you narrow down your view to specific items, and in this case, we're interested in retrieving archive tasks. Go ahead and click on the filter option. You'll often find this somewhere at the top of your screen, clearly labeled and ready to assist. After selecting the filter, it's time to home in on what you need. You'll want to specify that you're interested in archive tasks. Clickup makes this step pretty intuitive, usually providing you with a list of different criteria you can apply. Here, simply choose the archive filter. With a click, you're instructing Clickup to retrieve those tasks that are tucked away, out of your regular view, just waiting to be found. The final step of this process is the most satisfying. Once you've applied the archive filter, you'll see the archive tasks appear in your task list. They might look a bit different from active tasks. Typically, they show up grayed out. This visual cue helps indicate that these tasks are not actively in play. And there you have it. Your archive tasks are right in front of you, ready for whatever action you need to take next. Whether you're auditing past work or reviving a previously completed task, you now have what you need. This straightforward process is a handy tool in managing your tasks efficiently within Clickup. Remember, mastering these kinds of features helps optimize your productivity and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. So whenever you need to access archive tasks again, you'll be a pro. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.